Do you think your phone is really locked when the screen goes off? Think again. Today, I'm about to show you a powerful setting called Secure Lock Settings. It makes sure no one can tamper with your phone, even if they try immediately after you lock it. So, and even if you're not using Samsung phone, I've got tricks for your Android or iPhone too. So don't scroll. This could save your private data in case of theft or prying eye. So what does it do? What does this secure lock setting do? It prevents people from accessing smart lock screen shortcuts, notification, or any quick tricks immediately after you lock your phone. So to begin, for Samsung users, go to your settings, and you tap on lock screen. This is lock screen and AOD, and you tap secure lock settings, and you will be asked to enter your PIN, password, or pattern. So I'm gonna pause this video to enter my so once you turn it on, once you enter your PIN, then turn this on. Turn on auto lock when screen turns off. This one, tap this. So you have to set when the phone will be locked after the screen turns off. Do you want, except when extend unlock is keeping it unlocked. You can choose to, because when you turn off your phone like this, it's not on, it doesn't immediately lock the screen. So you can either choose to have it lock immediately, or after 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So you set yours here, and then turn on also lock instantly with side button or side key. So if extend unlock is in effect, the phone will stay unlocked. Mind that. Okay, and now turn this on also, auto factory reset. Okay, this is optional for you, so you can choose like after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone. If somebody tries to unlock your phone and they have tried like 20 times, it will reset to factory default setting, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So this is optional. If you want to do that, then you can turn this on. Okay, all right. This one, lock network and security. It prevents SIM or Wi-Fi changes. So it prevents Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. So something like Find My Mobile uses these connections to locate and control your phone when it's lost. So if this is on, nobody will be able to try to bypass that to turn off the network and anyway. The other option is to show lockdown mode option. So this it lets you disable biometrics temporarily. So display a power button option that turns off extend unlock, biometrics unlock, and notification on the screen. So these are all security things that you need to set on your phone. Okay, so but if you don't see the secure lock settings, just make sure you set up a a secure screen lock first. When you get your phone, it will ask you to set a PIN or password or whatever. So if you don't see this secure lock settings, that means you haven't set up like a PIN or pattern for your phone. Okay, all right. So now for other Android devices, you have to go to settings, security, then screen lock or lock screen and security. Okay, enable auto lock or lock instantly after timeouts, and then look for options like network settings or lockdown mode. Okay, note names may vary by brand, but use the search bar in your settings app to find lock or secure lock. Like if you can really find step by step, you can just search in the settings and search for lock or secure lock. Now for iPhone users, you have to go to settings and face ID and passcode, or touch ID and passcode depending on your model, and then you scroll down to enable these things like require passcode immediately, control center access off when locked, And then this also USB accessories off when locked. Okay, so bonus iOS tip: you can triple click the side button to activate lockdown mode depending on the iOS version. So why does this matter? It prevents your phone from being bypassed, if stolen or picked up. Okay, it disables all biometrics if you suspect someone could force unlock, someone try to force it to unlock it, but it disables that. Okay, and it gives you control over what stays locked even during emergency or theft. So don't forget to like this video and share it and subscribe for more smartphone power tips. Every tap counts in making your device smarter and safer.